cook well.
This isn't
the greatest thing of all time.
Look at this shit. What?
Put on that pork potato.
Steak and potatoes on a fucking island. So, me and Eamon have just arrived at Pine Island. But that's where we're camping. What do you think, Eamon? So, me and Eamon have just arrived at Pine Island. But that's where we're camping. What do you think, Eamon? We were going to get a canoe, but Eamon couldn't clutch up and get us a canoe. So now we gotta actually walk. 48%. This is sick.
I'm not cleaning these because I'm watching this shit. Oh, what was in there? Going for a cuff. I'm leaving it. Oh, my midgets everywhere. Oh, what do we have here?
If it's not mosquitoes, it's midgets.
Is your tent midget proof?
Yeah, should be. We need to get up a fire. I think that should keep away the midgets.
Oh,
but this is meant to be filled with brown trout, so
it's meant to be what?
we're either having brown trout or steak. Brown trout is, he said. Hey, look at all the flies.
If I don't catch a fish, I'll be seriously fucking on out.
Eamon, this literally looks like something out of a movie.
What?
On the camera, this is insane. They're midgets. I'm going to kill you.
There, look at the fish jumping.
Is that actually a fish?
Yeah, that's when they jump and try to eat a fly. But
there's literally nothing stopping anyone from fucking coming. Like, this is literally an hour and a half away. Kind of looks like Asia.
go in there.
Why would I go in there? Eamon's trying to catch some fish, but he keeps giving out about midgets because he's a little bitch. Just saying something. But I went and found a camping spot and I got some, like, dry dead ass grass to start a fire. Have you got some? Are you joking? Have you actually got some? Huh? And why is your rod bending like that? Oh no.
Man, the fucking castle is shite fucking.
Eamon's favourite hobby is to complain. No matter where he is or what he's doing. And we just broke the line.
Man.
Think of here.
There, oh.
Right here. Oh, it's like the only piece of flat. Kind of flat.
That's fantastic.
Eamon's still trying to catch some fish. These midgets, actually, I was like, Eamon, shut the fuck up, but now they're killing me. There's like, yeah, motherfuckers. But hopefully when we light the fire, they'll fuck off. But yeah, I'm gonna finish setting this up. Bloody midgets, man. Like, I'm not one to complain, but fuck. There's like a million. I'm gonna try to find Eamon, see if he has caught any fish. He ain't caught any fish, he's hiding from the midgets somewhere. Look at that shit. What?
Pulled him and he came flying out of the water and flying back into the fucking water. That's why I was screaming.
Oh?
Man, I fucking had him. Man, there's so many fish jumping. Oh, got it. Oh! Look at him there, boys.
Man, what?
Touch him, touch him. Oh, don't get the hook caught in you now.
What's the odds of that? Just as I start recording. Can I get a picture of the fish? Could you eat something like that?
Yeah.
Seriously?
He's a bit small,
But we catch a bigger one.
We're probably gonna kill him.
Sweetened fish and steak. Do you know how to go to fish?
Yeah. But you can't. He's so small.
Yeah, don't put much meat in it.
What'll I do with him? Hold him. Hold him.
Can I?
I'll catch him. Hold on to him. Don't let him wriggle. Hold on, I'm just gonna put the dog down. Yeah. You little fuck nugget. Oh fuck. I can't get him. I can't get a hold of him.
Squeeze him tight. Lovely.
Hey! And
He's gone?
Yeah. You can get big ones, but you can't cook that spot. You literally have. When you're gutting them, like, there'd be more excess shit than actual meat. Jumping down there. See where that ripple was? Go down there and just leave. Get down there, man. Just fucking drop it in there and let it dangle and start like swinging it from side to side. Rock, you're gonna get come. Oh, oh, fuck. Yeah, just doing this, like, just do this. Start walking up and down the pier with it. No, not do that. No, it has to, like, ripple in the water, like, it has to swim. Great success. I think midgets are attracted to heat. You have to put them in the middle of it.
No, you don't.
You do.
Did you wash outdoor, boy?
I know my stuff.
We need to get up to where we burn these logs.
I need to wash myself again with water just to get them off.
Go for a swim.
Huh?
Go for a swim to get them off. We got fire!
Ripest shit I've ever used in my life.
How long does it take to cook steak?
I don't know, I don't usually cook them on an open fire. These cook well.
This isn't
the greatest thing of all time.
Look at this shit. What?
Put on that pork potato.
Steak and potatoes on a fucking island.
Oh my god. I caught a fish.
Yeah.
We made steaks and potatoes. A great for midgets. I can't actually believe they're cooking that well.
Yeah. What? This is insane. Insane. Like, this costs literally nothing. Well, it cost him some. Cost me nothing. But seriously, like what? 30 quid? Literally, what? I'll probably spend like 30 on diesel, 30 on food and snacks, including the steaks. 60 quid, 30 quid each. That's, yeah, not even 30 each. That's insane. Like, what are you doing with your life?
Get the light down again.
Should I actually go for a swim? Huh? For these midgets? I mean, they're covered in.
No.
Like, look at my arm. Hold the light in my arm.
Yeah,
but go down the arm. Go down the arm.
What the fuck? I don't mean.
Oh my god! Look at this.
How are they not eating me? Like, feeling a bit left out here. No way.
What?
They're not freezing. Kind of soaking wet there. such a genius.
This is fucking. What? What 10 people tell me to do. Wow. Good morning, Vietnam. I'm gonna go fishing because there's actually no midgets. There ain't no midgets this morning. This is sick. Like what? Where's your fishing license?
I didn't get a fucking picture because I was holding him in the water. He kept jiggling back and forth and he fucking got off. And it was 3 times the rehearsal.
Tumbling on the sea. And a bit of memories. Easier, catch a sheep. It's the game warden in. They're coming back.
The game or
Looking for a fishing license. It's gonna be the one in.
yeah.
Watch. Right over there.
Cast it out half the fucking rod.
No, it's coming in! It's coming in!
Yeah, no shit, because it's all attached. Yeah.
I thought I caught it. Like strong tea or weak tea? Yeah. I like strong tea. Whoa, and we're off. Damn it. Whoa. Sheesh. What the hell?
Shit, man. Please from the shore.
And by the Holy Spirit was incarnate, rose again on the 3rd day in accordance.
Why are we listening to Mass?
I love math.
This is what you're listening to in the morning.
Midwest or something.
There's not been easy time.